with my dress on, baby. That's just me. That has hurt my feelings. Look at the way that that sparkles. Pinch of nutmeg. Happy Monday! I love starting a vlog on a Monday. It just feels so like put together, like I have my life together, starting the week together. It just feels right. Anyway, I hope that you are doing well. I feel like we haven't spoken for a little while. It's been a few weeks, months. I'll be honest, time has just gotten away from me. And it's one of those things, I think me and YouTube have a bit of a love-hate relationship, but I do just have like the urge to film right now. So I was like, I'm gonna vlog my week and see if I can get back into the swing of things. Like this week, I'm in town Tuesday and Wednesday for a couple of events. Obviously gonna be taking you along with me for those, but also I wanted to share with you some new in things. I just had a delivery over the weekend of some party wear from Mango. So hopefully at some point in the vlog we'll do a little bit of a party wear haul. I have a lot of higher end premium foundations that I have been very loyal to over the years. I'm not really like a high street drugstore foundation kind of girly. However, that being said, I tried this one. I was kind of blown away. I was like, wait, this is insane. This makes your skin look so flawless, poreless, airbrush. And because it's like Lumi Matte, it doesn't make your skin look flat. I always think matte foundation always takes me back to, no, what is it? Dream Matte Mousse. It just makes your skin look flawless. Yes, you are matte, but it's not flat. And I just can't get over like how affordable it is and yet how good it is. And also it lasts. Okay, this is the look for today. I just finished filming, did the hair too. Did a little like fake blowout with a straightener. I just tried to unplug something and look what I did. The whole white bit of the nail gone. Thankfully I'm getting them done on Friday, but still that has hurt my feelings, like really hurt my feelings. I'm absolutely devastated. I've got things to do, people to see next couple of days, and I don't understand. I don't understand. This is quite literally where I spend all my evenings. Headphones on, I'm listening to, what's it called? Binaural Beats Focus. Because the only way I can get stuff done is if I've got like a frequency or like binaural beat sounds on. Also, side note, these headphones are the best. They're so good. I can barely hear myself talking to you. Good morning, happy Tuesday. As promised, I said I would show you what I picked up from Mango yesterday because I didn't get a chance to show you with everything that was going on. So let me give you a quick haul. With one of the pieces I can't actually show you in person because I've already packed it. I'm going to an event with Marks & Spencer's and Sienna Miller tonight for the launch of her new collection. It's very party wear vibes. However, we've been told we can't share anything, like share any of the pieces until the 31st when it launches. But they're having their launch event tonight, so me and my friend have just been DMing each other like, are we supposed to wear the dresses? If we're not allowed to, I wanted to pack this top. I'll just show you the cutaway. This top, it's kind of like one shoulder asymmetric with like a little scarf detail, and it's one of those pieces that I think is versatile enough to wear all year round. It really doesn't scream Christmas party to me, but I think it's one of those, if maybe you're going for like work drinks but you're only going to like the pub or like something super chilled, you want to feel a little bit dressy, this is a really great option. Another piece that is stunning, it's a similar kind of vein in that it's just a classic black midi dress, and then it's got that scarf detail on it as well, and then it's got this beautiful low back, and I think obviously having a little black dress in your wardrobe is very, very important. It is a staple, a non-negotiable. However, this dress is just like a timeless classic. Again, it's a piece you could wear all year round. However, if you're in the market for party wear, it actually feels like party wear. I have some options as well. First is the sequin body. I thought this is great for those that like to do jeans in a nice top, because this is the epitome of a nice top. Like, look at the way that that sparkles. Such a magpie for sequins, I just love them. And I also think if you could pair this with like faux leather trousers, a heel, jeans and a heel, I'm thinking even like a tailored maxi skirt. It's just quite a versatile piece considering it is very party, very festive. And then last but not least is just a classic silver sequined midi skirt, because you could wear it with a knit for like Christmas Day, but you could also wear it with a blazer, heels for something a bit more glam. But that is pretty much it from what I've picked up. George says he's gonna film my outfit. I love the pumpkins, look at this. Okay, so we're heading to the M&S event with Sienna Miller. This dress is from the new collection. It comes in green as well, which I believe Anna is wearing, so shoes are mango. The bag is also mango. It's not very big and it's also not very practical, but it fits the important stuff. I've got a light and I've got my lip products and I'm probably gonna pack some mints. That's literally all you need, isn't it?
Looks stunning.
Oh, thanks, babe. I'm gonna pose like this. What do you think? Are you gonna miss me?
Nah.
George's just come and pick me up from the station. Cute little event, loved my dress. And one of the best things about George picking me up is the fact he always brings. Who says I can't wear my dress? What does she say?
I don't know.
I can't wear my sneakers with my dress, well baby, that's just me. It's just Good morning, happy Wednesday. Taking a little stroll. Currently running a little bit late, but we are heading to the Grande Cosmetics event, which should be really nice. I think I've been to this location before. They had an event, I want to say about this time last year or earlier in the year. And it's a really nice like salon, but you can also get like food and stuff there. But anyway, this morning we're meeting the founder, Alicia. I may be making that up. Hopefully it's not too loud for you. She's being interviewed by someone from QVC. I think her name's Alison. So we're going to be talking all things beauty products this morning, which I feel like is always the best way to start the day. I really had to, because it's like kind of gooey. Can't really taste much of pasta.
Oh, yeah.
It's delicious though. Plan of action is to go and spend a small fortune in Uniqlo, aka my favourite shop in the world. To finish off the vlog, today I've just been shooting content with my friend Laura. I needed to get some more like casual wear bits in because my feed is going to be very party wear focused from here on out. I can now relax for the rest of the weekend, which is nice. I'm just going to edit my content. However, my banana syrup arrived yesterday after I'd already made a white chocolate matcha, so I was like, I'm gonna have to wait till today to make it. Anyway, I couldn't wait this morning. I had to have one with my breakfast. I was so excited when I woke up this morning. I'm gonna make myself another one, and this time I'm gonna make it with you. Hope that's okay. I'm gonna show you how I make it. Well, basically this morning I had it with just the banana syrup, and one thing I've noticed with Blank Street is they always do like 1 pump vanilla and then 2 pumps of like the flavour. So if you want the blueberry matcha and you've got blueberry syrup, get the vanilla syrup as well, because they do 1 pump vanilla, 2 pumps blueberry. And I think it's the same for all of their drinks because it just gives it that extra like, and a really great vanilla one is actually one you can get in Home Bargains. I think this is like £3, I want to say. It's really, really cheap. A lot cheaper than the 1883 ones, but these are the exact ones that Blank Street use. Nutmeg and cinnamon for that like bready, Christmassy taste. My matcha of choice, which is this one, Matcha. Really nice actually. I know the one the Blank Street use I have actually bought, but I wait till I finish this before I try that. And remember, your matcha should be bright green. And to my glass, I've just added a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of banana. I've added my cinnamon. I'm also gonna add a pinch of nutmeg as well. Give it a little mixy mix. I'm gonna add my matcha. Give it a little stir. Delicious. Anyway, I just wanted to finish the vlog here and say I hope you've had a lovely week and I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.